This painting is going to be inspired by something that Molly's Artistry had done using black and white lacing with rainbow colors. I've got a slightly different take on what I'm going to do with that idea. So I'm going to start with just covering the canvas with white as a base, which wasn't done by her, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to cover the whole thing first in a thin layer of white paint. Well, this came out quite lovely. The only problem that I seem to have with it is which direction does it go? Horizontal or does it go vertical? It could go either way. I have no clue how to sign this, because usually when I sign it, it's the deciding factor on the direction. Look at the colors coming in with the cells, and the lacing is so fabulous. I mean, this is a color explosion. I really love that aspect of it. And I love the drips. I might add some more drips after it dries. I'm gonna look at it. I just like doing different things. But this is very much to my loving. Not my liking, my loving. I love it. I love all of the effects and everything about it. It's just pretty cool. All right, there you have it. And I hope you enjoyed watching. I do hope you'll subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Okay, over and out.